How to customize controls in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set it up. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, we can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now we in the settings interface. So basically this is the place where you can find different options and customize it. So here you must be in this control section. Here on the top, there's a section of button layout preset. So simply tap on it. So this is the place where you can adjust it. Here you can move the buttons wherever you like. Here you can even change the opacity and the size of the buttons. So it's up to you and the way you want to adjust the gameplay. At last, here on the top, tap on save and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.